How to log into Costco ESS employee account. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to easily log into Costco ESS Employee Portal. Without any further delay, let's just begin the video. First thing first, you can just go ahead and type in Costco ESS login on your web browser and hit the search bar. Then go to the first link that you see here, Costco employee website, tap on it. After this, you should be taken over directly to the employee website. Now just click on current employee login and you'll head over to ess.costco.com. Now on this page, you can just provide your username, whether it's your employee or alumni. Just enter your ID and then enter your password as well. And if you are a vendor or a supplier, you can log in with your email address. Tap on the sign in button and you should be good to go. If you're having trouble, tap on trouble signing in and this should give you a way to recover your account. So tap on Costco employee retrieve your email or reset your password. Select your country, enter your employee ID, tap on continue and you should be able to find the option. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.